Imagine Jesus at the center, not as a concept,
or logo on a screen.
But Jesus, alive and moving amongst his people.
Imagine the Spirit of God is writing a story, not on paper, but on humans' hearts.
Look at the living letters
Being written.
Homes restored.
Addictions broken.
Hope rising.
salvation.
Salvation. This is the fruit of our mission, to equip,
to restore and advance.
Imagine a community that's more than a meal.
it's a family.
Where you're known.
where you are loved, where you're helped to grow.
Not a gathering of perfect people,
but a partnership
Of people being changed.
Imagine churches built by the Holy Spirit.
Not driven by ego or held together by personalities,
But shaped by prayer and grounded in the Word.
Imagine churches not competing, but partnering.
Serving side by side,
Honoring one another's stories.
because we're not building a brand.
we're witnessing a kingdom.
One King,
one king.
One mission.
一つのミッション。
many living letters.